Hello, everyone! Welcome back to Vocal English Blueprint. I'm Alex, and today we are tackling a massive monster.
Hello, Alex. Hello, everyone. A massive monster? What monster are we talking about today, Alex?
The translation monster, Sarah. The habit of translating words in your head. You hear English, your brain converts it to your language, then you translate it back.
Oh, that is exhausting. It is like a 3-step traffic jam inside your brain. No wonder people freeze during real-life conversations.
Exactly. It is way too slow, Sarah. While you are busy translating, the conversation moves on. You feel left behind. It is a terrible feeling.
I remember that feeling when I started. You look lost. But today, we are going to break that bad habit forever. We have 5 simple steps to change everything.
Yes, we have the ultimate brain hacks. So guys, if you want to stop freezing and start speaking naturally, smash that subscribe button right now. Give us a thumbs up too.
Share this video with your study partners. It helps us create more value for you. Alex, let's open the blueprint. What is our very first brain hack?
Step 1 is to start incredibly small. Don't try to think in big sentences yet. Start with single words. Just look around your room right now.
Okay, I am looking around my room. I see a lot of random things, Alex. I see my workspace. I see my morning setup. What do I do next?
Act like an English labeling machine. When you see an object, don't use your native word. Look at your desk and think, desk. Look at your lamp, lamp.
Oh, I love that. So I look at my water container and think, bottle. I don't think the translation. I connect the object directly to the English word.
Exactly, Sarah. Cut out the middleman. No translation needed. Look at the window, window. Look at the floor, floor. Just 5 minutes a day.
That is so practical, Alex. I can do this while walking around my house. Chair, table, cup, spoon. It is like a game.
Yes, it trains your brain to create direct highways, direct roads from your eyes to your English vocabulary. Do this consistently, guys. Sarah, let's move to step 2.
Step 2 is all about pictures. Visuals are a superpower for your human brain. Instead of bilingual dictionaries, use images. Alex, how do flashcards help here?
Flashcards are brilliant, Sarah. On one side, you have a clear picture. For example, a bright yellow sun. On the other side, you write the word sun.
Ah, I see the trick. When I look at the picture of the sun, I don't see text. I see the image and instantly think, sun. The connection is purely visual.
Exactly. Images are universal, Sarah. A dog looks like a dog everywhere in the world. An apple is an apple. Connect the image directly to the sound of the English word.
This completely skips your native language. You can make flashcards for animals, fruits, or clothes. Cat, banana, shirt. It is so efficient.
Yes, you can even use your phone for this. Look at photos on Instagram or Pinterest. Label them in English inside your head. Challenge yourself to name 10 pictures in 1 minute.
A 1-minute visual challenge. That sounds fun, Alex. It keeps your brain sharp and active. But what happens when we want to move past single words?
That brings us directly to step 3, Sarah. Moving from single words to simple sentences. Let's upgrade our brain framework.
Step 3 is where the real magic happens. Simple sentences. But Alex, how do we build sentences without translating from our own language first?
Start with your current feelings, Sarah, or your physical states. When your stomach makes a funny noise, don't translate. Just think the exact phrase, I am hungry.
Oh, I get it. If I feel exhausted after a long workday, I don't look for words. I just connect that physical feeling to I am tired. It is an instant reaction.
Yes, connect the emotion or feeling directly to the English structure. I am happy. I am bored. I am excited. Keep it to 3 words max.
What about actions, Alex? Can we narrate what we are doing in real time? Like when I am holding my morning mug? Absolutely. Become the narrator of your own movie. As you lift the glass to drink, think, I drink water. At that exact moment of action. Wow, that is cool. So when I turn the handle of my bedroom door, I think, I open the door. When I sit on my office chair, I sit down.
Spot on, Sarah. I wash my hands. I read a book. I cook dinner. You are matching the physical movement to the English audio track in your head.
This is an amazing brain exercise. It takes no extra time out of your busy day. You just change the language of your inner thoughts. What is step 4, Alex?
Step 4 is the most entertaining hack. Simple immersion. You need to watch and listen to a lot of easy English content, like children's cartoons or kids' songs.
Cartoons? Really, Alex? I am an adult. Why should I watch cartoons for 5-year-olds?
Because they are perfect for your brain, Sarah. Cartoons are highly visual. The characters move, point, and shout, and the language they use is incredibly basic.
Ah, that makes sense. When a character points to a bouncing circle and says, "Look, a ball," you see the object on your screen. You don't have time to translate.
Exactly. The action on the screen moves too fast for your native language to interfere. Your brain forces itself to understand directly from the context. It is passive learning.
I love that. Children's songs are great too, right? Like head, shoulders, knees, and toes. You do the actions while hearing the vocabulary.
Yes, it connects physical movement, sound, and vision together. Watch a simple cartoon for just 10 minutes a day. Don't treat it like a hard study session. Just relax, watch, and absorb.
10 minutes of cartoons a day keeps the translation monster away. I am definitely adding that to my schedule. Alex, what is our final most important step?
Step 5 is the mindset framework, Sarah. Patience and kindness. Let's talk about the reality of this journey.
Step 5 is the patience protocol. Because let's be honest, Alex, you cannot change your brain habits overnight. It takes serious time and consistency.
Exactly, Sarah. You have been translating inside your head for years. It is a deeply carved neural pathway. You cannot build a new highway in one afternoon.
That is so true. At first, it will feel strange. It will feel uncomfortable. Your brain will automatically try to slide back into translation mode. What should we do then, Alex?
Don't get angry at yourself. Never say, "Oh, I am terrible at English." That kills your motivation completely. Just notice it calmly.
So if I catch myself translating, I should just say, "Oops, I translated." Then reset my brain. Go back to a simple single word or a small phrase. Be gentle with your mind.
Yes. Treat your brain like a small child learning to walk. It will stumble. It will fall down. That is completely normal. Progress is always better than perfection.
Every single time you look at an object and think the English word directly, that is a massive victory. Celebrate those small moments, guys. They add up over time.
Absolutely. Mistakes are not your enemy, Sarah. Mistakes are your teachers. They show you exactly where your brain needs more practice. Welcome them.
What a beautiful way to look at it, Alex. Mistakes are our friends. They help us grow. Wow, we have covered so much gold today. Let's do a fast recap for everyone. Let's lock these 5 daily hacks into your brain right now. Hack 1. Use single words to label your surroundings. Desk, chair, window. Keep it simple. Hack 2. Use visual flashcards. Connect universal images directly to English words. Skip the bilingual dictionary text. Make it a quick game. Hack 3. Narrate your life in simple sentences. Match your real-time feelings and your physical actions to short phrases. I am hungry. I drink water. Hack 4. Watch simple English cartoons and children's songs. Let the fast visual action train your brain to understand directly from context. 10 minutes a day. And hack 5. Be incredibly patient with yourself. Change takes consistent practice. Celebrate your tiny victories every single day. You are doing great. Wow, what a complete blueprint, Alex. Your conversations are going to become so much faster and more natural after this. You won't feel left behind anymore.
Exactly. It all starts with one small step today. One object. Look at your device right now and think the English word. Sarah, let's launch our comment challenge.
Yes, we love interacting with you guys. Your homework for today is very simple. Look around your room right now. Find one object near you.
And write that single English word in the comments section below. Is it a phone? Is it a notebook? Is it a coffee cup? Let us know.
We are so excited to read your answers and see your daily environments. If this podcast episode gave you value today, please hit that like button right now.
Yes. Subscribe to Vocal English Blueprint so you never miss our upcoming fluency codes. Share this video with a friend who always freezes during conversations.
Thank you so much for spending your valuable time with us today. Keep practicing out loud, stay consistent, and always, always stay confident in your journey.
See you all in the very next episode, guys. Go smash your English practice today. Goodbye.
Bye, everyone. Have an amazing, productive day. Keep thinking in English. See ya.